A business report brought to you with the compliments of Signia Financial Group Incorporated. Quality solutions for your financial needs.
Now imagine being able to track every ingredient and every drop of soft drink or alcoholic beverage from the time of purchase right up until the time they're served to a customer. Well, that's exactly what one local company says it's doing for scores of restaurant chains and fine dining establishments across the island. Lisa Lord has the details.
Every single business day, you have the ability to question one steak missing. What could be more powerful than that?
And that is the power Point Solutions Inc. is giving to the more than 70 restaurants it services locally. Fred Nadur started the company in 2004, an idea that came out of an experience he had working with a fast food chain for about a decade. Point Solutions offers the #1 point-of-sale system for restaurants and bars and full support for Quickbooks software. And his clients are so happy with the products that he has never lost one over the last 13 years.
Every single restaurateur's needs and problems differ, every single one. So from discussing it with them first, I don't demo my product. I have never walked into a new client environment with a touchscreen terminal and I say, wow, look at my touchscreen, look how I could do that. I don't do that. I've never done it since 2004. And I have one of the largest footprints of terminals, point-of-sale terminals in Barbados.
Mr. Nadur says working in the hospitality sector is hard, but it can be quite rewarding. He adds that the level of stress should be reduced, if not removed altogether.
I tie from the point of you writing a check right back to the point of you creating a purchase order. And anything that you can humanly imagine occurs between there, which is the person placing the order. We receive the inventory. We prep out the inventory. We cut it up, slice it up, dice it up, recipe it, boom, plate it, sell it, generate revenue, back up to the supplier statement. If I can account for every step between those 2 points, I love signing a check because I know that every day everything is being accounted for.
And he is adamant that every item that is purchased should be accounted for.
I had this client that a chicken supplier would call the supervisor that placed the order and she would say, yes, the time is now. He will show up. She will receive half of the invoice chicken and the other half he would drop by her home. And that happens in Barbados all the time. It happens everywhere in the world. And you know, the funny thing about owners is that they're quick to point the finger. That person is dishonest. No, you allowed that person to be dishonest. But if I accounted for that chicken immediately, that person wouldn't be dishonest.
Now, with the solutions his company offers, he says simple things like overportioning and spillage, which can also rack up expenses by the thousands, are no more.
I remember a fast food chain I was with saved almost $250,000 a year by just standardizing ladles to dispense product to the customer. Ladles, it cost them about $3 grand. And they saved $250,000. That's what a point solutions cost you in relation to what you can save.
Outside of the hardware and software products they offer, Mr. Nadur says having highly skilled staff in areas like prepping is especially critical to the bottom line.
You have 3 sous chefs that all 3 of them can at any given day be responsible for filet mignon steaks, right? Now, I don't know if you know, it comes as a muscle. It's filled with muscle all around it. So we discovered during the same discovery, no deposit, no money, that one of the sous chefs are getting a higher yield per pound than the other 2. So the owner's like, Fred, do I just make that person be the only one that do my steaks? I says, no, let him train the other 2. So now all 3 become empowered with the ability. That one little thing saved them 10,000 Barbados dollars a year on one item, just cutting it better.
Point Solutions Inc. also has an expansive regional reach and is currently working with several restaurant chains in Guyana, Antigua, Trinidad, Grenada, and St. Lucia. Lisa Lord for the Business Report.
Thanks very much, Lisa. Well